to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very exciting product with you. A company called Prettycare had reached out to me and they sent me a cordless vacuum cleaner to review. I have lots of mess on my floor and I haven't even unboxed the vacuum cleaner yet, so I'm going to be taking you through the whole process. You can find the vacuum cleaner that was sent to me here, and I will also link it down below, so that way you can check it out for yourself. So let's see how this thing looks and what it came with and how it works. So this is in the box, and we've got, let's go through this. So we have a brush attachment. I like using these for the stairs. Then we have a little, this a crevice tool, is it called? The pointy one. I call it the pointy one. Then there's an adapter with a plug. I'm thinking this might be some sort of a wall mount. And here is an instruction manual. It's W400 vacuum cleaner. And here is the body of the vacuum. Power. And then so you can increase the power. And I'll let you in on all the features in just a minute. I just wanted to unpack this whole thing. I assume this is a washable filter, which is a nice thing to have. A power head with soft bristles. The brush is soft. It's not a very firm brush, so that is good for my floors. I have luxury vinyl floors and some carpets. And then we have the body, or the hand, and it's a nice thing because it is flexible. So it easily goes underneath the stairs, underneath the couch, I mean, not the stairs. So here it is all put together, and this vacuum cleaner, it has a 180-degree bendable wand. It has a self-standing design, 2 speed levels, 20,000 PA powerful suction, its lightweight body, upgraded high-speed brushless motor, 90-degree plus 180-degree rotatable brush head, LED light headlight dust, 6-stage double cyclone filtration, and 6-in-1 package stick vacuum and handheld vacuum, and 1-click dust release. I was quite happy with the way it picked up dog hair, and especially the way it picked up the debris in this area rug. This area rug seems to collect all the dust from the shoes, and the dogs like to sleep here, and it did a pretty decent job cleaning it. Over here I use the little brush attachment just to pick up some mess that was on the counter, and I'm also going to show you, I did use it to dust my lampshade. I just moved the middle part, the brush out, because you can have the middle part out a bit more for the counter that I use, and then you push the brush out more, and you can use it on your curtains, or like I was using on my lampshade. I just wanted to show you how bad my stairs are going down to the basement. I feel like all the dog hair ends up falling in, and I like to use the crevice tool just to get into all the corners to get all the hair out. And I have to say, it did a decent job of picking this up. I think this vacuum is a great vacuum to have handy for your everyday quick cleanups, even for your deep cleaning days where you're cleaning up the whole house. It did last me the whole main floor vacuuming. I have about 1,300 square feet here, and the battery lasted the whole time. To empty it, you just press the button here, and it opens up, and then everything just kind of falls out. I also wanted to show you that you can twist off the body. There's a button that you press and turn it, and then you can switch out your filter. The filters are washable, which I think is another great feature. I also think that this vacuum would be a great vacuum for if you have a student that's moving out of the house, because it is very budget friendly. And so they can take it with them to their dorm or wherever they're moving out to. It is extremely lightweight, which I like also, and my mother-in-law tested it out and she found it very lightweight as well. The head moves, like I said, to 90 and 180 degree, and then you can also bend the wand to get underneath the tables, like coffee tables or couches, so that way you don't have to bend yourself down to vacuum these areas. The brush on it is quite soft. I have luxury vinyl floors, and I used it to clean that, but you can clean it on hardwood, marble floor, low pile carpet, rugs, and tile floor. You can also use it on sofas, stairs, corners, beds, shelves, car cleaning, windowsills, curtains, tabletops, and so much more. I'm not sure if I had mentioned, but it has a HEPA filter and 120 volts. And it is cordless, as you can see. And you can also, it just comes with an adapter, so you can stand it up and charge it anywhere. And one feature that I really liked about this vacuum was the fact that it had the LED light, which my other stick vacuum does not. And I was able to see the dirt that I was vacuuming, which at my age, it comes pretty handy. And not to mention, this vacuum comes with 5-year warranty, 24-hour rapid response service, 30-day dissatisfied money back, and 90-day free parts replacement. In Canada, this vacuum cleaner retails for $199 Canadian, and you can purchase it on Amazon. I will have all the links down below. But I really wanted to show you how well it cleaned up this dog hair off the dog bed. I was quite happy with the way this worked. If you don't know, I have two large breed dogs that have double coats, so that means lots and lots of shedding twice a year, and then just a normal amount of shedding throughout the year. So I have hair everywhere that needs to be always vacuumed up, and I do vacuum, like I mentioned, sometimes twice a day. And I also run a home daycare, and I like the fact that it's so lightweight and I can just move it and use it anywhere I need it to. I've been using it now for about a week, and what can I say? I am quite impressed. Another great feature that this vacuum cleaner has is the fact that you can stand it up with just one click. Just move it into a standing position. I can't tell you how many times I have leaned my other vacuum against the wall and it slides down and falls. So this is definitely a plus for this vacuum as well. Well, I hope this was a helpful video. I do usually post decorating and cleaning videos on this channel, but I didn't want to also do this review because I was quite satisfied with this vacuum. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel and enjoy cleaning and decorating type of videos, make sure you check them out and subscribe. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.